So you seen that title in the thumbnail, and you know we got fried shrimp on the menu, but we're gonna step our game up with these Old Bay lemon pepper fried shrimp. Man, groceries. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our shrimp. We have some cornstarch here. These two dishes we have lemon pepper seasoning. Right here we have Old Bay seasoning, honey, lemon juice, hot sauce, lemon zest, chili flakes, and we have butter here. So it's all you're gonna need, not many ingredients. Let's get to it. We're gonna get started by making our Old Bay lemon pepper seasoning by adding our honey here to a pan, our hot sauce, and guys, how did I forget this? I forgot to add our butter. It was in the refrigerator because I didn't want it to melt. But add your butter first. Hey, it happens to the best of us. Add our lemon pepper seasoning, our lemon juice, and our Old Bay seasoning. And we're just gonna get all that mixed in. Make sure you reduce it to low, like a medium low. Just like that, guys. You see it all came together, whether you added the butter first or not. Just like that. We're gonna put this on low and just let it simmer for a minute or so. All right, after that minute, you wanna turn your heat off. We're good. I'm gonna take our sauce and I'm gonna add it to this measuring cup. Guys, just that easy. All right, so let's start preparing our shrimp. We're gonna hit that with just a little salt and a little pepper. And we're just gonna get that mixed in like that, just so we have a little flavor on those shrimp itself. All right, let's set this aside. Bring over our cornstarch. We're gonna add our lemon pepper seasoning here, along with our Old Bay seasoning. And we're just gonna get that mixed in like this. Just like that. That's simple. Okay, so in this step, you could do one or two things. You can get you a large Ziploc bag and do this step, or you could get a Tupperware bowl like this. I don't have any large Ziploc bags, so I'm gonna use this Tupperware bowl, and we're gonna take our cornstarch, we're gonna add it here. If you got a Ziploc bag, add it to your Ziploc bag. And we're gonna kind of spread that out like that. Next, take your shrimp, add them to your Tupperware or Ziploc bag, whichever one you're using. I'm gonna cover this baby up. You guys know I'd like to do a little shaky baking, and that's what we're gonna do. Close your Ziploc bag, do the same thing if you're using that. And make sure we get these babies fully coated. All right, let's open that baby up. See how simple that is. All right, let's move over to our stove or fryer, whatever you're using. Get that oil heated up 350 degrees so we get these babies in there. Now we're bringing our oil up to temperature, and I'm gonna do a quick check by dropping a little of that flour in here, or that cornstarch. Look like that baby is ready. So we're gonna start dropping our shrimp in here. You wanna cook them in batches because you don't wanna overcrowd the pan. I think I got about 18 shrimp, so I'm gonna try to get about 9 of them in here. And we're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes until they're golden brown. All right, so we're about 3 minutes in. Look at these babies here. Oh man, you already know what the business is. We're gonna go ahead and get these removed. Sit them here on this warming rack right here. Like I said, guys, you don't wanna overcook shrimp. Nobody wants those tough, chewy shrimp. All right, so I'm gonna put these in a warming rack, and we're gonna let our oil come back up to temperature so we can do our last batch. All right, so we are finishing up our last batch. Take a look at them groceries. All right, we're gonna add them to our warming rack also. And let's move over to our cutting board. And listen, it's just that simple. And we're gonna swap that out for a bowl. We're gonna add our shrimp here. We're gonna take our Old Bay lemon pepper sauce, pour it over our wings, pour it over our shrimp like this. And guys, you can make them as wet as possible. It's totally up to you. And we're gonna get these babies tossed around in here like this. You know how we do a little shaky bakey. Gotta add a little bit more sauce. Feel free to do so. All right, guys, it's really easy. Let's get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. And there you have it, Old Bay lemon pepper fried shrimp. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Leave it down below. Let me know what you think. Let's jump into quality control. Hey, the moment that I've been waiting for, quality control, we always bring those groceries to the front of the congregation. Guys, look at that. Woo-hoo, man. Let's go ahead and give this baby a try. Man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, I don't know what to say. Look at this, man. Look at that baby. Buttery, lemony, obey, man. Let's do it again. Oh, this was one for the record books, I'm telling you. I would sit here and eat all 18 of them. But I got people behind the camera telling me, you better not eat all them scrimps. So I'm gonna have to put this plate down. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. Remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.